Okay, peeps, received the Singapore Airlines PPS Club. Yes, just got it in the mail and let's unbox it. Yep. Unbox. Okay. Ooh. How does it work? Oh. I'm terribly bad at unboxing the toy on the wrong side. Okay, what's inside? Let's see. Voila. This is what you see inside. Yes, you get two personalized luggage tags and this neat thing, and there's a card, and yeah, there's my name is there, so I'm blocking it. Yep, that's all. So what do the name tags look like? Yes, again, it's personalized, so yeah. What is it? Voila. Bye.